15-minute beginner Haitian dance class. Now before we get started, y'all know what to do, right? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the bell too, so you know when we drop new videos. It will be so dope if you leave us a comment, and please like the video. And thank you so much for all the videos that you're tagging us in. Let me know that you're doing the workout. Also, check out our channel for more classes: hip-hop, yoga, salsa, belly dance, Pilates, African dance, Afrobeat, and so much more. Let's do it, baby. Come on. Yeah. All right, I'm excited. Let's dance Igbo. So the first movement we went over from video 1, if everybody remembers, we're down here. Our arms are at our sides. And we're going side to side with the torso, and our feet are going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now if you remember, this is a traveling move, which means we're not standing still with this move. We're moving with it. We're moving forward, moving forward, moving forward. And just to practice, we move back, we move back, we move back. Okay, quick review about this movement, starting with the legs. Don't forget to have your bounce. Igbo is not danced stiff and straight like this. You must bend your knees to get the bounce in your knees, to get the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 with your feet. Try to keep the 1, 2 as even as you can, and the knees are what's gonna help you do that, okay? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Again, let's start with the knees. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 at the feet. How's that? It's a little fast, but we clap out the movement, right? For Igbo, we go dibby biddy, dip dibby dip, dibby biddy, dip dibby dip, dibby biddy, dip dibby dip. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Let's try the knees and the feet together. Slow, and then we'll do to the real rhythm. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How is that? Can we move with it? We're pros already because we practiced this in video 1. So let's walk forward with it. Just the feet, and we're gonna add the arms, okay? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, arms are at our side, and our hands were in fists because Igbo represents what? Freedom, victory, all the beautiful things, all the themes that go along with the Igbo tribe that we described in video 1, okay? So let's try with arms at our side now. Forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How did that feel? Okay, we're getting warmed up. We're getting warmed up. So now we have our legs moving, our feet moving, our arms are ready. Now all that's missing is the back, okay? Now remember we spoke about this: contract, release, contract, release, contract, release, contract, release. Let's add that in there. Make sure the back is moving as we go forward. We're already pros at movement number 1. We're just practicing, okay? And down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and side, 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 side. Again, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and side, 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 side. With the feet. And let's go side to side. Feel it, feel it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and yep. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend your knees. Okay, I'm gonna count you down, and we're gonna walk forward. In. that feel? Do a little stretch. Stretch your knees. Stretch your arms. We're just getting started. We're just getting warmed up, folks. Okay? So that was movement number 1. The movement that followed, if we recall, the first step was a traveling move forward. We can think about this, just keep it in the back of your head, and we'll use it later on in the class. For right now, focus on the movement. So just keep in mind we're up here. So the second movement, sweep, 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 sweep. Double step. Left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. We're still bending our knees, right? But now because one leg is out, the other leg is bending. See? Bend, 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 bend. And right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. I know the feet can get confusing sometimes. It's like, what's right? What's left? How many times? Talk to yourself in your head and tell yourself, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. That's what's gonna help you. We're gonna connect the movement with the sound. If you can clap it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, right, left, left, right, right. To the music. Dim 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 dim. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Arms. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Right leg. Remember the arms go past the body. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Walk with it. And walk. And walk. And walk. Take it back and walk. And walk. And walk. And walk. One more time. 2. Right, right, left, left, and right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Okay? You got it now? Let's try it with the music. Clap with me. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. Make a song out of it so you remember which feet to use. Okay? Let's go. Right, right, left, left, right, right, left, left. In 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. In place. Take it forward. Take it back. And in place. Feel the rhythm. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How does that feel? How's everybody feeling? I think it's time for a water break. All right? So far, I'm having a great time dancing with you all today. I'm so honored to be invited into your homes virtually from wherever you are. If you had to move all your furniture and your couches and your dining room tables to dance with me, I appreciate you so much. This is one of my favorite dances to dance and to teach. It's so liberating. Igbo is danced in Haiti to represent our Igbo ancestors that come out of Nigeria. And this dance represents freedom and justice. So please keep that in mind as we're dancing. Strong arms, strong legs, strong everything. Okay? How's everybody doing? Okay? Let's get back to it. All right? So that was movements number 1 and movements number 2 from our first video. So now we're gonna do the next movement in the sequence, which you can find in video 2. We go from the foot sweep here, 5, 6, 7, 8, to this movement here. Remember this movement? Yes, all the arms and all the legs moving at the same time. Let's break it down one more time. Although we did break it down previously, if you want to more thorough breakdown, refer back to the previous video. We're gonna go over it shortly today. So if you remember, right leg crosses behind left, left takes a step in place, and right goes back out. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and cross, step, out, and cross, step, out, and cross, step, out, and cross, step, out. Now remember, talk to yourself, make a song out of it. Which foot crosses back, which foot goes front, I don't know. Right, left, right, and right, left, right, and right, left, right, and right, left, right. Remember we talked about shifting your weight. We're going back here, and our weight is shifting, and then we level ourselves back again to the sounds. 1, 2, 3, and dibim bidim, dim dibidim, dibim bidim, dim dibidim, dibim bidim, dim dibidim, dibim bidim, dim dibidim. Okay? Haitian dance is not just about the movement. The movement is married to the sound. It's married to the drum. It's married to the rhythm. So as much as you can absorb, the better, because it's all one family. Okay? Dibim bidim, dim dibidim, back, out, cross, step, out, cross, step, out. Let's add the arm. Remember this? Right? Arm crosses behind the head, just like leg crosses behind the leg. Right crosses behind left, arm crosses behind the head at the same time, and out. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right, slow. Boom. And we look. Follow your hand. Give expression. 5, 6, 7, 8. How did that feel? I know y'all are doing great. I can feel the energy. I can feel the energy through the screen, okay? This is your time now to get your dance on, get your sweat on, get your Igbo on, okay? Let's switch to music now. Let's break dance, okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Yes. One of the more difficult movements, right? So we're building. All these steps are a series of movements that are going to go towards a larger choreography that you can see in the later videos, the more advanced videos, video 7 and video 8. So we're building. So you're acquiring more skills, you're getting better. This stuff is not easy, so please take a minute to clap for yourselves, pat yourselves on the back, applaud yourselves, because we're doing this and it's getting done. Okay, so we have so far 3 movements under our belt and our last one for the beginner series after we leave here. All right, our arms are out. Now where do they go? We start with our palms facing the front. So now we're gonna flip and they're gonna go right down here. I hope everybody remembers this step. I hope you practice the hands because these are not easy. You have to keep them here at your side, right? Okay, and our legs are still bent and we're doing the same Igbo beat. Great job, you guys.
Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification button. I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys for taking my class. Bye.